Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be explaining why I have been away for over 3 days. I know that's not a long time for most YouTubers, but I post daily, or most of the time. And I have been away for a while. A couple of you were wondering why I haven't posted in the past couple of days, and this is why. Look at my new background. I'm so excited about this. We have a beautiful wood grain panel. Ah, and heaven is sneaking out from behind. No, it's not heaven. It's just an LED light strip, which looks fantastic. Looks so amazing. And then I have a purplish, bluish, nice background, which is amazing. Goes pretty well with this shirt. So the reason I'm doing this is because for my secondary channel, a couple of people know about it, most people don't. I'm gonna start working on more of a fashion-based YouTube channel where I'm gonna be showing all different kinds of outfits I've collected throughout my college journey, and trust me, it's an ungodly amount, it's an unnecessary amount, but I feel like that would be an amazing idea for a channel because I don't want to drop a ridiculous amount of money on another channel because I've just done so many renovations and dropped quite a bit of money on this channel. So I created an amazing new background. We're gonna do amazing content on this channel. So that is the reason why I've been away. But this is quite simple. I'm thinking about adding some more panels to it, different colors, maybe a white, a bright white that just pops out. And then obviously I'm gonna throw a background light on for that as well. Maybe some floating shelves with some succulents. Who knows? Something like that, some bookcases. Give me some ideas. Tell me what you guys think. I hope you guys like it. If you do, definitely hit that thumbs up button. And stay tuned for my other channel shout out, which I'm going to do quite soon as I'm done with this renovation. My hair is crazy, but yeah, just got done with this. So anyway, guys, hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.